In this brief video, we will go over how to crimp a ITA signal contact. The tools and supplies needed will be the instruction sheet downloaded from macpanel.com, contact sub-assembly, wire strippers, crimper, and positioner. Please refer to your instruction sheet for all cable lengths, measurements, and tolerances. Also, from the Contact Crimp Information table, use the Crimp tool and Positioner set listed. Before we begin, insert the positioner to the crimp tool and tighten in place with the 2 screws in the positioner. Step 1. Strip wire to dimensions in Contact Crimp Information table using a ruler along with a wire stripper, as shown. Step 2. Turn the selector knob on crimp tool to suit the size wire being crimped. Step 3. Insert contact into positioner and squeeze handle slowly to grip and hold contact in place. Step 4. Insert stripped end of wire into contact and squeeze handle of crimp tool slowly. Step 5. Inspect crimped assembly for extruding strands of wire to prevent shorts and also check for retention by a pull and return test.